Oh, hey. I, uh, I saw a lot of animals this week.
Hand out there. Go ahead, buddy.
I live in a small fishing village in upstate New York, and there's actually a residential deer that has a name and a Facebook page, and she's super friendly.
This is Bella. Bella lives in our neighborhood. She took my Halloween decorations down, didn't you, girlfriend? Hi, sweet girl.
And then after I had this deer encounter, I went apple picking, where I forced my daughter to climb into a tree to get the apples.
I'm not sure this is good parenting if I let my child climb a tree.
And there was a little animal farm.
Bye-bye. Go for it. Feed him. It's okay.
Don't fight me.
Now, why, pray tell, am I sharing this with you, and how does it relate to your business? It doesn't! I just wanted to share my animals with you. If you take anything from this, every once in a while, I have to unplug. And I do so in nature. So I'm either forcing my child into nature.
Go, Maddie, go.
Or I'm exploring it with little small fuzzy creatures. I love them. So that, my friends, is my super duper profound message for you this week. I look forward to your emails. You can email me here at Joleene@JoleneSpeaks.com. Please follow me on Facebook, right here as well. And follow me on Twitter. And I wish you an amazing and fantastic week. Take care.